Hello, and welcome to our Cookum Capstone video. We are a group from Professor Hayes' food science course at the University of Texas at Austin. Our goal today is to present a student-friendly dish and explain the food science and safety principles behind the recipe.
Today we are going to be making deviled eggs. This is a simple recipe that can be easily replicated in your own home.
Here are some images of what the deviled egg should look like.
The following ingredients are required: 8 boiled eggs, 2/3 cup mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, a 1/4 tablespoon white sugar, salt to taste, pepper to taste, and paprika to taste.
It is important to note when choosing eggs, do not use eggs that have cracks in the shell in the carton. Cracked eggs can introduce harmful bacteria from the environment into the egg. We know an egg is safe when there are no cracks, no visible spillage of liquids in the carton, no foul smell, and it is cooked to the appropriate temperature. While the cooking time in the recipe is adequate in terms of safety, it is still important to note the minimum internal temperature we need to cook eggs to is 145 degrees.
Place eggs in a pot with enough water to completely submerge them. Then turn the stovetop on to medium-high heat and bring to a boil. Once boiling, turn down to medium heat and cover for 10 minutes.
When eggs are raw, the proteins are in a tightly coiled state. As you heat them up, the proteins agitate and bonds are broken, but new bonds are formed connecting proteins to each other. This process is how eggs turned solid when cooked. Once the eggs have cooked through and are solid, remove pot from heat, remove eggs from hot water, and let the eggs cool. In this recipe, we use 2 forms of heat transfer. One is called convection. It is the transfer of heat through currents of the boiling water. Conduction is the second heat transfer method. Here, it was the soap burning in contact with the pan and the pan's contact to the water. Once eggs are cooled, peel and cut eggs into halves. Mash yolks, then add mayonnaise, mustard, sugar, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Mix well until smooth.
Now that you have your egg white halves and the filling, you can fill the egg halves with the filling. Then sprinkle paprika on top of each filled egg. The eggs are ready to be plated and served. Place on a plate or egg dish and you can serve warm or cold. Take a look at the final product.
At the end of your cooking session, you will want to clean all pots, pans, and dishware that was used for this recipe to ensure cleanliness and avoid cross-contamination in the future.
Make sure to store refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 4 days.
We thank you for taking the time to watch our video and hope that you enjoyed learning more about the food safety and science behind deviled eggs. Goodbye!